In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate a basic setup on Squarespace. This platform is a popular choice for those looking to create a dynamic and visually appealing website, and understanding how to get started is critical, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Squarespace. Open up your browser and type in Squarespace's URL. This will bring you directly to the homepage, which is where our journey begins. Once you're there, you'll notice a clean, modern interface designed to make it easy for users like you to get around. Take a moment to explore the main page if you're new to Squarespace. Getting acquainted with the layout can make your future experiences much smoother. Next, we want to navigate over to Products and Services. This is typically found at the top of the page or perhaps in a drop-down menu depending on their layout updates. Once you click on it, a new menu will expand, revealing more options. Here, you're going to select Products. This section is essential because it's where you can add various offerings that you plan to showcase on your website. Squarespace makes managing products quite straightforward, but don't worry, we'll walk through it together here. With Products open, you'll see an option to Add Physical Product. Click on that. Now, this is where you start populating your website with the items or services that you offer. It's an intuitive step, but crucial to fleshing out your online presence. Keep in mind that at this stage, Squarespace might prompt you to fill out details about the products such as names, prices, and descriptions. Take your time here, as well-crafted product listings can make a big difference to your customers. And just like that, we're done. At this point, you should have successfully navigated through the basic steps of setting up products within Squarespace's robust system. While the process is quite streamlined, remember that Squarespace also offers extensive support and guides, which can be incredibly helpful as you get more advanced with your site design and management. Don't hesitate to explore their additional resources or even get in touch with their support team if you find yourself needing more in-depth assistance. As you've seen in today's walkthrough, getting started with Squarespace doesn't have to be daunting. With just a few clicks, you've begun setting the stage for your digital brand. As you continue to build and expand, keep experimenting with all the features Squarespace provides. Their tools are designed to help bring your vision to life, allowing you to present your products beautifully and effectively to an online audience. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your Squarespace journey.